Raj, what are you doing?
Looking
What?
at my fish.
Right. In Baby Uncle's house.
Are we staying in their home?
No, nobody's there. We just put it because we are traveling, no? So we have to put this fish there in his aquarium. When we come back, we'll take it. Okay?
Okay, let me check.
Okay, so we're going out. Plans. Dropping Leila in Villaggio. Then me and Raj will go to Vibel's house and drop this fish. We have 2 fish left. This is our aquarium. So we're traveling tomorrow. If you keep the fish here, nobody's there to feed him. Feed them. We had that axolotl I have given to my colleague. So he's taking care of that. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Hey, where is Ashwagandha's birds? Are they healthy?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Uncle is in the house.
No, he's in Kerala. He's in India. Okay. Let's go this way. No, yeah. Go.
You always say no or yeah.
Yeah.
In my hole, and these are like the.
Oh my god.
These are like.
Let's go. Let's go.
Go to Big Uncle.
Mommy will come.
In the dock, so.
Now where is mommy?
I don't know. She's still.
Mommy's still in the house. Where are you, mommy? Mommy's here. Why it took so long for you to come? Huh?
I don't know, Papa, because she was just using her lipstick.
No, I peed.
Yeah.
Sorry. I didn't mean it.
And Papa asked me not to. Why you're the one who's answering? Line 3.
What is it?
Kabaying Radio 94.3.
The only Filipino radio station in
The only-
Qatar.
The only people in
People, only people in Qatar. Yes. Oh. Unbelievable. Qatar is preparing for the FIFA. A lot of stuff. FIFA. Which gate I will drop you?
There.
Here? Middle one?
Yep. It was drizzling. This
You know why?
morning. Why?
Because in Dubai they were doing this artificial rain, the cloud. Yeah, today it was in the news. They're doing no artificial rain in Dubai.
It reached
Artificial
Qatar.
cloud, yeah. So it's near. So maybe some bits and pieces. Brand new Land Cruiser.
What is this?
What?
Why
What
did
happened?
you move?
Move. We are in Weevil Uncle's compound. We have to put the fish, no? Let's put those fish inside. Okay, this is Weevil's house. Let's do it. Let's go. It's too humid.
Salavat is still here.
Yeah, uncle is there. Let's see, we can open with this. Oh, not this. Okay. Come on. Let's go up. Okay. Okay, you hold this. You shoot video like this. Hold like this. Don't cover here. Put your hand on. Put like this. Like this. Hold it. Okay, you don't touch the food.
Okay, so
Shoot here. Show me here. Okay. Let's put the fish. Fish, are you dead? No. Shoot, Raj. You cannot see Papa's face. I'm gonna put the fish inside. Check now here.
oh, one just
Yeah.
enjoying in Vivian Uncle's house, okay?
What is it?
Enjoying in Vivian Uncle's house these fish.
Yeah, fish. Enjoy.
I hope they're gonna be excited when they see this.
Yeah. We're going back
Where?
to pick up mommy. But we will give this fish food to Shanawa's uncle. Okay, let's go. Here, let me give the food to Shanawa's uncle. The fish food we'll give to him. So, how was your shopping?